Kill weeds the natural way. This DIY solution costs pennies. If you have a lawn or garden, then you're familiar with the relentless battle against weeds. They seem to pop up as soon as you clear them out. Even with landscaping plastic, weeds find a way to sprout, either growing through or from seeds trapped between the plastic and mulch. For those with children or pets, using chemical weed killers often raises concerns. Instead, use my natural homemade weed killer that's safe for your family and effective against weeds. In this video, we will cover the following 4 things. 1. A natural recipe for killing weeds. 2. When is the best time to apply this weed killer? 3. Is it safe to use this DIY weed killer in areas with pets and children? 4. Can this DIY weed killer kill grass? Watch the video till the end to discover how to combat weeds in your garden. First, let's talk about my natural recipe on how to combat weeds. All it takes is mixing 3 common household items that you probably have already. The salt and vinegar in the mixture dry out weeds, while dish soap helps it penetrate the plant rather than just coating the surface. To make it, mix 1 gallon of white vinegar, 1 cup of salt, and 1 tablespoon of dish soap in a garden sprayer or spray bottle. Regular white vinegar works well, but for tougher weeds, a stronger vinegar like eucalyptus can be used. When handling stronger vinegar, wearing gloves and eye protection is crucial to avoid injury. After mixing the ingredients well, spray the solution directly onto the weeds. This is how the weeds will look after a day or 2 of being treated with this mixture. 2. When is the best time to apply this weed killer? The best time to apply this weed killer is on a dry day, ideally when it's sunny, to enhance its effectiveness. Spraying on a sunny day speeds up the process, with weeds beginning to brown within hours. Target the weeds directly with a sprayer to avoid killing other nearby plants or grass. 3. Is it safe to use this DIY weed killer in areas of pets and kids? This DIY weed killer is safe for areas where children and pets play. The natural ingredients ensure it's harmless for pets and kids, even if they come into contact with the treated areas. 4. Does this DIY weed killer also kill grass? Be mindful with application. Excessive use can harm grass and plants. Focus the spray directly on weeds to minimize impact on surrounding grass and flowers. Overusing salt can degrade soil quality and affect future plant growth. Before we move to more tips on getting rid of weeds, remember to like and subscribe to our channel, as well as turn on the notification bell for future updates on how to waste less time and money. Check out the full details of these amazing DIY solutions on our website, and we'll keep you updated on new ones. The link is in the description. All right, let's talk about common household products that kill weeds. Here's how some of them work. First on the list is vinegar. Vinegar is effective because it contains acetic acid, which can burn and kill the leaves of weeds upon contact. It's most effective on young, annual weeds that are still small. Avoid using vinegar in garden beds or near plants you want to live, as it can harm them. Second is salt. Salt is effective on weeds in non-soil areas like driveways, but can damage soil health if overused. Third is boiling water. Pouring boiling water directly onto weeds cooks them and their seeds, effectively killing them. This method is ideal for weeds in sidewalk cracks or driveway joints, where it's difficult for plants to be accidentally harmed. Boiling water is a safe, immediate, and non-toxic method, but is not selective and requires caution to prevent burns. Fourth is dish soap. Dish soap enhances the effectiveness of other weed-killing agents, but should be used cautiously around plants you want to stay alive. Fifth is corn gluten meal. Corn gluten meal prevents weed seeds from germinating and is ideal for established gardens. Last on the list is rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol is excellent for spot treatments, but can damage other nearby plants if not applied carefully. Choose a weed control method that considers both effectiveness and environmental impact. Our DIY solution doesn't always reach the roots, which might allow weeds to regrow. Repeated applications can improve results. For stubborn weeds, you can remove the weed's root with a screwdriver or using a butter knife. We have a link in the description with the instructions. And there you have it, killing weeds in a natural way. This DIY solution costs pennies. Please leave a comment if there is something we missed. Also, please like and share this video with your friends and family. See you on the next one.